These questionnaires are actually really quite in-depth, but they're not at all invasive. So there's a set of subjective questions, and if the client or the member answers them accurately and honestly, we'll be able to explore what the health priority is for the individual. From the timing of their food, their meals, from the choice of foods they're eating, to whether they have a parasite or bacteria imbalance, if they've got detoxification issues, so congested liver for example, or if there's something else going on there like an abundance of stress. And the idea is that the review of the score gives us indication as to whether they're ready to train aggressively or not. And what's really interesting from this is that many people that are going through the questionnaire, because we've actually integrated it into the GSquared experience, they're actually flagging a score that would suggest that they're not ready to work out, which is why we have this other flip side to the coin, working in. And working in means before they start any program of working out or exercise, they need to be doing some kind of restoring or re-energizing or energy building exercise. In many cases, people are nutritionally deficient. That's quite prevalent, that's quite well known. People have postural distortions that mean they're not going to be able to perform the exercise without putting undue load on certain joints. It might be that their adrenal output is so high and their body's so inflamed that we've got to get that under control first. Or it might be that their sleep protocol is insufficient for the additional load of training, so they're not going to get the recovery. So they're going to get slower results. So if you put person A and person B together and they both flag as not being ready to train, if one goes ahead and just trains anyway and one spends, say, 2 weeks yin building, as we call it, person A will actually get quicker results because they're creating a better foundation for recovery of the exercise. And that really is a message that I implore people to listen to. And I think that applies to coaches as well, who are just throwing people into programs of exercise.